Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $481.65 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $444.97 to $499.60. The earlier day close, $455.49. The change was plus 26.16, plus 5.74%. Opposite rate, US to BCH. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 146 coins. Exorbitant costs on $74, while lows on $46. The found the middle value of costs on 157. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 162, change for June 11%. US to BCH expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 162 coins. Exorbitant costs to 162, while lows to 130. The found the middle value of costs to 148. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 139, change for July 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 139 coins. Exorbitant costs on 146, while lows on 127. The found the middle value of costs on 137. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 136, change for August 2%. US to BCH expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 136 coins. Exorbitant costs on 140, while lows on 121. The found the middle value of costs on 132. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 130, change for September 4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 130 coins. Excessive cost on 130, while lows are 108. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 121. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 115's change for October 11.5%. US to BCH expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 115 coins. Exorbitant costs are 119, while lows are 104. The found the middle value of costs are 112. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 111, change for November 3.5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 111 coins. Excessive costs are 115, while lows to 100. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 108. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends are 106, change for December 4.5%. US to BCH expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at 106 coins. Exorbitant costs are 106, while lows are 86. The found the middle value of cost or 98. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends or 92, change for January 13.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.92 coins. Excessive costs are 98, while lows on 85. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 192. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends are 91, change for February 1%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.91 coins. Exorbitant costs are 97, while lows on 84. The found the middle value of cost on 91. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends are 90, change for spring 1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.90 coins. Exorbitant costs are 95, while lows on 83. The found the middle value of cost on 89. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends 88, change for April 2%. US to BCH expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.88 coins. Exorbitant costs are 95, while lows are 82. The found the middle value of cost 188. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends in 88, change for May's in %. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for June 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.88 coins. Excessive cost earn 88, while lows earn 71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 81. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends in 76, change for June 13.6%. US to BCH expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.76 coins. Excessive costs to 79, while lows were 69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 74. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends in 73, change for July 3.9%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.73 coins. Excessive costs are 80, while lows on 70. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 75. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 75 changed for August to 7%. US to BCH expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.75 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 84, while lows are 73. They found the middle value of cost 78. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 0.78 changed for September 40%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant costs on 80, while lows on 70. They found the middle value of cost 76. The US to BCH figure toward the month's end zone 75 changed for October 38%. US to BCH expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.75 coins. Excessive costs are 95, while lows on 75. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 84. The US to BCH figure toward the month's ends in 89 changed for November 18.7%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.89 coins. Exorbitant costs in 89, while lows on 72. They found the middle value of cost in 82. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 77 changed for December 13.5%. US to BCH expectation for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.77 coins. Exorbitant costs are 98, while lows earn 77. They found the middle value of cost earn 86. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 191 changed for January 18.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.91 coins. Exorbitant costs are 117, while lows are 91. They found the middle value of cost 102. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 108 changed for February 18.7%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 0.108 coins. Exorbitant costs are 139, while lows are 108. They found the middle value of cost on 21. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 29 changed for spring 19.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2026. To start with, cost at 129 coins. Exorbitant costs are 129, while lows to 107. They found the middle value of costs on 20. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 14 changed for April 11.6%. US to BCH expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 114 coins.